Hello my dear children, welcome back again to e-learning class and welcome again to the reading session of your e-learning class. And children, today we are going to read lesson number 7 from your Phonophone book. But before we read lesson number 7, let's take a recap of lesson number 6 first. Yes? Up till now we have finished the reading of lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, and today we are going to do the reading of lesson number 7. But before that, take a recap of lesson number 6. First we will read the words of lesson number 6. First word is C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. After cot, G-O-T, got. G-O-T, got. After got, not. N-O-T, not. N-O-T, not. After not, pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. See children, here only some words I have taken, but you have to read all the words. Okay, do the revision of all the words. Now after pot, cop. C-O-P, cop. C-O-P, cop. After cop, hop. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. After hop, mop. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. After mop, top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Now the sentences of lesson number 6 we will read. First sentence, here also children, I have taken only 3 sentences, but you have to do the revision of all the sentences given in lesson number 6. First sentence, D-O-T dot H-A-S has a M-O-P, mop. Now all together we will read the sentence. Dot has a mop. Dot has a mop. Second number, S-H-E, she, I-S, is, B-Y, by, T-H-E, the, C-O-T, cot. She is by the cot. She is by the cot. Third number, D-O-T dot, C-A-N, can, N-O-T, not, H-O-P, hop, A-N-D, and, M-O-P, mop. Now all together we will read. Dot, can, not, hop and mop. Dot, can, not, hop and mop. Yes. Now the words of lesson number 7 we are going to read. First word is C-O-O, coo. C-O-O, coo. Yes. C-O-O, coo. The birds make a sound that is called coo. C-O-O, coo. The sound made by a bird is called coo. C-O-O, coo. After coo, M-O-O, moo. M-O-O, moo. M-O-O, moo. The sound made by a cow is known as moo. Next word is T-O-O, T-O-O, after two, Z-O-O, zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. Zoo is a place where all the animals are kept in a cage. Yes, this is a picture. You can see here it is of a zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. Now, next, C-O-B, cob. C-O-B, cob. C-O-B, cob. And what is a cob? You can see here it is a picture of a corn. Yes, the grain part of the corn is known as the cob. And the spelling of cob, C-O-B, cob. C-O-B, cob. And after cob, next word is J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. Here you can see picture of many people. They are doing different type of job. Yes, the J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. The work which we do at the workplace is known as job. Here you can see some people, they are doing their job. Yes. Next word after job is mob. M-O-B, mob. M-O-B, mob. And a group of people gathered to create some involence or disturbance or something they are doing not right is called mob. A group of people gathered to create some disturbance, to create some violence is called mob. M-O-B, mob. M-O-B, mob. After mob, rob. R-O-B, rob. Here in the picture you can see the man has stolen something from the house and he is running away, and it is called rob. Yes, R-O-B, rob. Now next word, O-X, ox. O-X, ox. Here you can see picture of an ox. O-X, ox. Here you can see picture of an ox. An ox is a domestic animal. Next word, B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. Here you can see a small gift box. B-O-X, box. Next word, F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. Fox is a wild animal and a fox is a very cunning animal. You can see here a picture of a fox. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. Now next word is O-R, or. O-R, or. And after or, last word is for. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. Now we will move ahead and we will learn the sentences of lesson number 7. Children, here you can see a picture given here from the Phonophone book. you can see this boy, his name is Sabu. The small boy, his name is Sabu, and you can see an ox also over here, and the name of the ox we'll read is Moo Moo. Yes, and in the next picture you can see the picture of a farm here and many animals are there. So let's move ahead and learn the sentences of lesson number 7. First sentence, I am Saboo. Sabu. I am Sabu. I am Sabu. Here you can see the two words are, the spelling has a gap, but you have to read it together, and together this word is read as Sabu. I am Saboo. Sabu. I am Sabu. I am Sabu. Here you can see this, as I told you, this small boy, his name is Sabu, and he is saying, I am Sabu. Now, second sentence, M-O-O, Moo, M-O-O, Moo, I-S is M-Y, my, O-X, ox. Now, together we'll read, Moo, Moo is my ox. Then what the boy is saying? Moo Moo is my ox. The ox name is Moo Moo. And this boy Sabu, he is saying Moo Moo is my ox. M-O-O Moo, M-O-O Moo is my ox. Moo Moo is my ox. Sentence number 3. I do my, my, job, job. I do my job. Now this boy Sabu, what he is saying? I do my job. And what is his job? His job is to feed ox and the other animals in the farm. So sentence number 3, I do my job. I do my job. And the last sentence, sentence number 4, M-O-O, Moo, M-O-O, Moo, H-A-S, has, T-O, D-O, do, a, J-O-B, job, T-O-O, to. Now together we'll read, Moo, Moo, has to do a job to. Now this boy Sabu, what he is saying? That Moo Moo also has to do a job. Yes, Moo Moo has to do a job too. Now all together the 4 sentences of the lesson we will read. First sentence, I am Saboo. I am Sabu. Second number, M-O-O, Moo. I-S is M-Y, my, O-X, ox. Moo is my ox. Third number, I do, M-Y, my, J-O-B, job. I do my job. Fourth number, M-O-O, Moo, H-A-S, has, T-O, do, A, J-O-B, job. T-O-O, two. Moo, moo has to do a job too. Yes. So now children, you all must have already learned all the sentences and words of lesson number 1 to 6, and today we read the words and sentences of lesson number 7. So practice reading. You all have to read all the words and sentences of all the lessons daily. All of you practice well and read daily. Bye. Thank you.